What is an AI agent? Every product is calling itself one in 2026. Most people cannot explain it in 2 minutes. What an agent is, what makes it different from ChatGPT, and why it might soon do your job. First, the difference. Ask ChatGPT, what's the weather? It answers from training, or maybe it does one search. That is a chatbot. Now ask, book me a flight under $400. An agent searches, compares, picks, books, and sends you the confirmation. It acts. Easiest way to think about it. A chatbot is a hammer. You swing it, it hits a nail. An agent is a contractor. You give it the goal, it picks the tools, does the work, and reports back. Every agent has 4 parts: a brain, hands, memory, and a loop. The brain is an LLM Claude, GPT, Gemini, something that can think in text. It decides what to do next. The hands are tools, API calls, database queries, web searches, code execution, anything the agent can invoke, anything that changes the world. The memory, so it does not forget what it just did, short term, the current task, long term, a database of everything it has ever done or learned. The loop, the brain decides, the hands act, the result goes back to the brain. The brain decides again until the goal is done or it gets stuck. Where agents fail today, they get confused on long tasks. They forget what they were doing. They call the wrong tool or get stuck in a loop. Honest reality, most production agents still need a human to unstick them. So that is an AI agent, brain plus hands plus memory plus a loop. A chatbot answers, an agent acts. Now you know why every software company is pivoting to one from zero. One tech basic explained from scratch. Every week, subscribe for the next lesson.